the humble pencil is an engineering marvel that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The pencil is an iconic writing instrument that has been a staple in schools and offices for centuries. Despite its ubiquity, the pencil is a complex tool that involves a delicate balance of materials and manufacturing processes. To understand the history of the pencil, we need to look back to the early days of writing instruments. In ancient civilizations, people used reeds and papyrus to create crude writing tools. The ancient Greeks and Romans used kalami, or reed pens, to write on papyrus and parchment. These early writing instruments were prone to breakage and required constant maintenance. The development of the pencil marked a significant improvement in writing technology. The first pencils were made from graphite sticks, wrapped in string and bound together with wood. Graphite, a soft, black mineral, was discovered in England in the 16th century. The graphite was mixed with clay and other minerals to create a durable and consistent writing material. The first mechanical pencils, invented in the 18th century, used a spring-loaded mechanism to dispense graphite lead. But that's not the strangest part of the pencil's history. Did you know that the first pencil leads were made from a mixture of graphite and clay, and were incredibly expensive? In fact, a single pencil lead could cost as much as a week's wages for a working-class person. The high cost of pencil leads limited their use to the wealthy and educated classes. But wait until you hear what comes next. The invention of the pencil factory revolutionized the production of pencils, making them more affordable and accessible. The first pencil factory was established in the United States in the late 19th century. The factory used a machine to mass-produce pencil leads, reducing production costs and increasing efficiency.
The pencil factory marked a significant shift in the pencil industry, making it possible for people to write and draw more easily.
For centuries, pencils have been a crucial tool for artists, writers, and students. From the delicate lines of a sketch to the bold strokes of a signature, the pencil has played a vital role in human creativity. The pencil has also had a significant impact on the environment. The widespread use of pencils has led to deforestation and pollution, as well as the depletion of graphite reserves. But the pencil has also inspired innovation and progress. The development of the pencil has led to the creation of new materials and manufacturing processes. The pencil has also played a crucial role in scientific discovery and exploration. From the notebooks of scientists to the calculations of mathematicians, the pencil has been an essential tool. But that's not all. The pencil has also had a significant impact on education. From the earliest days of schooling to the present, the pencil has been a fundamental tool for learning. The pencil has enabled students to practice writing and drawing, and has helped to develop their fine motor skills. The pencil has also played a crucial role in the development of literacy and numeracy. But the pencil is not just a simple writing instrument. It is a complex tool that requires a delicate balance of materials and manufacturing processes. The pencil is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. From its humble beginnings as a crude writing instrument to its current status as a sophisticated tool, the pencil has come a long way, and its impact on human history is undeniable. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Want to learn more about the history of the pencil? Check out our next video.